Hello, and welcome to this presentation of Excel2Sage. My name is Ora Martirosyan, and I'm going to show you how to create a support log in case you hit any problems with your Excel2Sage imports. The key document there are two key documents that are required. One is the logfile.txt, and the other one is the Excel spreadsheet that you're trying to import. So you will find the log file under the C drive, the Excel2Sage connector, and it's called logfile.txt. And it'll look very much like the one that I've got in front of you here. There are two key lines that you need to look at, shown here in bold black. The first one shows that I was trying to import a product invoice, but that it failed because it was an invalid or customer wasn't specified on that line. So what I would have to do is to open that up, check, correct it, and try the import again. The second line, which is the important one, is it tells you where it has saved the Excel spreadsheet after it's tried to import it, and that's the one that we need to look at to try and figure out what has gone wrong. If you are an automation site, your log file will look slightly different. So again, you will have those two key lines shown here in bold. And that will show the file that it was trying to import, the Excel spreadsheet that it was trying to import, and again what problem it found. And again, the natural course of action is to open that Excel spreadsheet, look at the issue in question. In this case, it was complaining about the customers, so red IT 999 may not be available in that particular company, and correct it and try it to import it again. However, if you find that you have been unable to resolve this problem and you need help from support, then please create an email to support@red-it.co.uk attaching those two documents, the Excel spreadsheet and the log file, and send that off to support. Now, the key points. The support logs can't be created or actioned without those two files. These are absolutely vital so the support team can look at the problem and try and investigate it further. For automation sites, it's also imperative that you attach the source file that was used to generate the XLS in case that sheds some light to it. Support will then respond as quickly as possible via email with suggestions and actions as to how to resolve the problem. They may also decide to call you and use TeamViewer for remote investigations if they deem that to be the appropriate course of action. It should also be noted that all calls which are not deemed to be support issues after investigation will be treated as chargeable consultancy. So please make sure that the data that's supplied is as helpful as possible to allow us to help you quicker. Thank you for your time and interest, and please feel free to email support@red-it.co.uk in case of any queries. Thank you.